my vlogs. As you can see, I haven't been here in a while because I've tried to make gameplays, but they've failed. They really actually failed to record. And today is snowing. Today is Thursday. We should have had school, but this is because we didn't have school. To me, it's talking about she cold. And she has that big coat on. And I was like, I told you. I think it's currently now like 2 something.
It's like 2 degrees out here.
It's not 2 degrees. I'm saying like 2 o'clock or something, you idiot.
No, it's 2 degrees.
Oh, crap. It's not 2 degrees, idiot. No, it's not.
It's like 2 degrees.
We just walking. It's not 2 degrees. Nope, it's not 2 degrees. Let's just go. Let's go! Tell me it's 2 degrees and she has pants on. I'm joking, I have pants on too. It's cold. I'm joking. I just can't see. You guys can see because you're not in the snow. My mom went to work, and Tajay is just sleeping.
I feel bad for her.
And my brother's just sleeping in his bed. We're just going to the store right now. Oh man, this is. Luckily, I have boots on. Ah! Break them ankles, yeah.